We are in early June 2018, and at this stage, we are only a few days away from the Level 2 exam. So I'm sure that you are getting anxious and nervous, but don't worry. In this brief clip, I'm going to share some thoughts on how you can make the most of your time over the next few days. The first point is that you must know your key facts and formulas. If you have been taking notes and if you have created your own facts and formula sheet, then use that. Otherwise, you can use IFT's key facts and formula sheet, which highlights the most important points from the entire Level 2 curriculum. At this stage, you should have completed 2 rounds of the curriculum, 1 round of regular study and then another round of review. But if you are still lagging behind in a few readings, then I would encourage you to watch our summary videos. These summary videos highlight the key testable points from each reading. At this stage, you don't have time to get into too much detail. Make sure you know the main points. And then most of your time needs to go into practice. If you've already completed the curriculum, then do the mock exam on the CFA Institute website. There are 2 mock exams. Do the first one, identify your weaknesses, then address those weaknesses and do the second mock exam. If you need more practice, then you can use IFT's mock exams. IFT provides 3 full-length mock exams at Level 2. In addition to the mock exams, make sure that you do all the online assessments. These are available on the CFA Institute website. If you need further practice at a topic level, you can also use IFT quizzes. My final point is that no matter how hard you have studied up till now, over these last few days you just cannot slack at all. Focus on doing as many practice problems as possible across all 10 topics, and if you do that, then on 23rd June you will ace the Level 2 exam. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.